Hello, my name is Laura Gallicchio, and I am a public health worker for our state. I am here today to discuss the proposed bill given by our state representative, Jan Jones. This bill states that this will be a statewide requirement for all public schools to conduct annual BMI screenings in grades K through 12. BMI results will be reported to parents, and those students whose BMI is above the 85th percentile will be referred to a registered dietitian for medical nutrition therapy. As we know, childhood obesity has been a long-lasting public health issue in this country. According to the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, the occurrence of obesity is growing in all pediatric age groups, in both genders and in various ethnic and racial groups. There are several factors that play a role in this, which include metabolism disorders, lifestyle, genetics, eating habits, and environments. However, more than 90% of these cases are idiopathic, which means that only 10% of these cases are linked with hormones and genetics. This means that we have some control over this issue. As public health workers, we must act upon this and do our part to prevent obesity among our population. As a country, organizations such as the CDC continue to implement guidelines and prevention tactics across entire communities to help aid in this issue. Although these are helpful and have shown success, must be done. More must be done. Health is very important to me and always has been. It is crucial that we instill healthy habits among our children at a young age. Schools are a great place to implement these habits. The purpose behind this proposed bill is good in theory, but I think we need to take a different approach. As mentioned, the policy makes use of BMI. If we take a deeper dive into BMI, it is known that BMI alone frequently misclassifies metabolic health. A BMI measurement takes an individual's gender, age, height, and weight into consideration. From there, you're categorized into groups that tell you if you're a healthy weight for your age bracket. Although BMI has been used for years, this number alone is not enough to determine an individual's health. So a big part of addressing obesity comes down to nutrition, in my opinion. It is important that we place more mandatory education around this topic, especially from a young age. Health classes do the bare minimum in teaching students about health and nutrition. A revision to the curriculum would be necessary. In addition to this course, could be implementing cooking classes. It would offer a fun and interactive way for students to explore healthy food options. These are skills they can carry with them for the rest of their lives. These cooking classes can encourage students to eat healthy and get them interested in a variety of foods. Besides the act of cooking, students will also build confidence and feel accomplished, which can improve their work ethic. Also, helping students foster a healthy relationship with food would offer a whole other realm of benefits. Adding a cooking class to the curriculum may come at a bit of a cost, but every penny will be worth it. There are several state programs such as WIC, SNAP-Ed, and Head Start who aim to provide children and families with the resources to live a happy and healthy life. For example, SNAP-Ed is an evidence-based program that teaches families how to shop and cook healthy meals and live an active lifestyle. They partner with state and local organizations to meet people where they are at. As a school, we could join forces with programs such as SNAP-Ed and work with them to implement these cooking programs into our schools. This would be a cost-effective approach to carrying out this policy. In Delaware, they have a state program run by SNAP-Ed that focuses on teaching children about healthy eating and how to prepare nutritious and easy foods on their own. In addition, these children learn about nutrition education as well. An idea like this is likely to get positive acceptance from parents, communities, and our school board. To conclude, we all care about the health of our children and the future of America. It's time to focus our education around subjects like nutrition to help our kids live long and prosperous lives. Rather than categorizing our children by numbers, let's teach them something. Let's teach them how to take care of their bodies so they can teach their families and future children how to take care of themselves. This alternative offers several different benefits not only to our students but also to their families and our communities as a whole. Education is valuable and so is the health of our children. So please consider. Thank you very much.